if that's security, but...
The alarm's going off, proper alarm's going off.
You know. What's happening, guys? So, we're in South Wales. I don't even know where we are. We're about to hit up an high school. Suburban TG. Tan. Yeah, go on, lad. This is it, guys. Bosh. Straight in. That light's on the side there. So guys, we're going to check back once we get in here. Okay guys, it looks like we might be in here. No entrance? No way in, guys. Fortunately not. Let's keep going.
So guys, as you can see, you can see a little Tommy gun getting through a little gate to try and get himself into the actual school that we actually are, all the way down in Wales. And as you can see, we are here with Urban Sherman.
We don't take L's, guys. We've not drove 4 hours to go all the way back home. We're getting into this high school.
Are you here with Santan Dave?
Yes, bro.
Making a new track at the school.
Yes, F64, wasn't it?
And as you can see, Tommy has finally got himself inside. So you guys, as you can see, we actually have finally fishing out into the school by getting through the window. Wow. So.
Just revealed where we are. We need to get out of this room.
Right guys, that's my movement. Let's go.
What's happening, guys? We're in South Wales. We're at Bandon High School. We've just managed to get in. Hi from Northern Ireland, Amanda, thanks for tuning in. Guys, this has got motion detectors all over it. I swear to God, it's crazy. Where's the light, right? What's happening, guys? If you can all share this video, because there is an alarm and it's going to go any soon. How's it going, man?
That's alright, that's the alarm I set off.
That's the alarm. Guys, if you lose connection, yeah, just refresh it. I don't know what the signal's going to be like in this building. Oi, listen, we need to keep an eye out for the police turning up, man. Genuinely. Guys, if you can all do us a favour, like and share the video. Have you shared it, boys? Is there anything there? That motion detector's not on. Yes, guys. Check it out then. Awesome Dawson, how's it going, baby? Wow, guys.
We just looked up. We just looked up and we just realised where I am.
I know it is.
Like, whoa, whatever.
That is sick, that, look at the glass. Yeah. Why is the signal dropping? Right, boys, let's keep going because security. Quite come because security's going to turn up.
We are here with Urban Sherman.
What's that name? Guys, it does keep freezing, I do apologise. Schools are built like pretty mad, so sometimes the signal can drop. But just do me a favour, and if it does, just keep refreshing that page. We're not going anywhere. We're hitting up something seriously sick after this as well, as long as obviously nothing bad happens to us while we're here.
What's that in, Tommy?
But we don't want to give it away, but we're going to another sick location. It's better than this. But I'm going to show you as much as I can. Oh, is that another way out? Was asleep. You won't be texting. Oh, sorry. Sorry, babe. I thought I'd tell you that we're going live. So we're in South Wales, guys. We've travelled like 3.5 hours. Nah.
Swear to God.
Guys. Is it? Oh, it's got a motion detector again in the corner. No, we're just exploring today, Dean. The sensor's gone off again.
Is that so?
Yeah, yeah.
Another one. Should we get two?
Yeah, we'll stay as safe as we possibly can, Vicky. Thank you very much. And Nicola, hi. Thanks for joining in. Yes, guys, we're in South Wales. Wow, guys. Yo, all the lights are still on and everything, guys. Yo, there's a music studio. Yo, Dave. Yo, Santan Dave. Oh, Santan Dave is gonna get in this recording studio. Shit. Guys, I don't know if that's security, but can you hear someone? Someone's here. Get in there. Shh. Get down these ladders.
That's really going off.
Get down there.
Let Pan in.
Get down there. Yeah. What was all that noise? Is it you making that noise? We're getting down here. Isn't some there? Yo, guys, got my bag. Yo, guys, it's a squeeze, yeah, but get down. Shit. Yo, guys, I think security's here, man. What? Oh, police are here, guys. Shit, right, let's go. You got my bag? What? Police are here. Quick, G, just get out. As long as we're not in, we can't get caught. Come on, get out. Get out. Oh, guys, can you hear the alarm? That way, sports hall. Please. Shit, the police are coming! Double A, guys. Oi, bro, let's go, man. Where's the gap? There. We've got to get to us, bro. Alright, guys, the police are here. How you doing? No. Sorry about the trouble, man. We didn't mean to set an alarm off.
You've been in there?
Yeah.
Yes.
Been on there.
God, I'm knackered.
Derelict is, right?
Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah. Abandoned.
There's an open window on the side.
It's really dangerous in there.
To be fair, it doesn't look it. It looks perfectly fine.
No, but there's a reason why all these are around this.
Right, basically, because what it was, we walked through the sports hall there, and there's a window open on the side, so we climbed through there, and then the alarm went off straight away, and obviously we ran because we just had the alarm.
Yeah.
But we do apologise about
That's right.
about the
Where are you
trouble.
from?
We're from Bury, Lancashire.
Sorry?
Lancashire.
Manchester.
We travel Europe. We travel Europe,
Under
exploring abandoned places.
Sherman.
Yeah. Check it up on Facebook and YouTube, man.
How'd you get out there then? How'd you get in here for starters? Over there, was it?
No, you can go. You can play football on the sports hall bit. You can actually just walk straight through onto it.
Yeah, because the Lev Centre's still open.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah.
It's wide open, and then there's a gate wide open around the corner. You just walk straight in.
The issue is, right, is that at the moment this is derelict, right?
Yeah.
And residents are they're fed up with kids smashing windows in here.
Yeah.
So whenever they see someone in here, they phone the police.
Yeah, fair
right?
enough, son. Yeah.
And also with the alarm's linked to the police.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
as soon as it goes off, it alerts us because we have so much problems here that we just come straight round here.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So, hey, I understand where you're coming from and that,
Yeah.
but you know.
No, that's it for today, I think. So.
But sometimes we go places and there's no security,
So-
there's nothing.
No, I know,
I mean,
but I'm.
But
People
I mean,
own
obviously
this
we
site.
didn't know.
People own this site and they're developing it.
Yeah.
Ah, right,
So-
that makes sense then.
So they,
yeah.
you know,
Right,
even though
fair
they are going to be demolishing it, they don't want any more sort of. They don't want it. They want to demolish it their way
Yeah.
and not.
No one in there. Yeah.
Not
yeah.
through
kids.
vandals, I get what you
Yeah.
mean. Yeah.
And also, if it's going to be insecure, people, drug users and that, user.
Yeah, we've come across stuff like that before, it's not nice, mate, I know what you mean.
Yeah.
Well, feel free to check us out, man. We've got thousands of people that support us on Answer.
I'll have to take your names anyway.
Yeah, of course,
alright?
yeah.
But I got to be honest, if you were up to anything dodgy, when we said, hey, you would have gone.
Yeah.
You don't like it.
Well, we won't be high-vised up if we was we're trying to steal something or whatever.
Urban, what do they call Urban Explorer?
Urban Sherman.
Urban Sherman.
How long have you been here then?
Pardon?
How long have you been here?
Literally about 10 minutes.
What about like Wales in general?
We've only just got here like about half an hour ago.
How'd you get here?
We drove, it took us about 4 hours.
What car?
Date of birth, John?
There's fun parts up there. Aston. Yeah, all of us, yeah. We travel to Europe, we've been to France, Germany.
Yeah.
So what do you do when you come here? Obviously,
We just like, most of the time the alarms don't go off, I'll be honest with you. So it's a bit surprising, but we just explore it. We make videos and put them on the internet, and people are like happy to. Because obviously somebody would have worked here at one point, and they
And people would have gone to school here and they want to see what it's like
so
inside.
they like to see what it's like.
Guys, now you can,
About 4 months.
Oh, then?
Yeah. Well, properly about 4 months. Been in it for like 2 years, but
yeah.
like it's big on social media for a few months now.
What's
Like, where do you stay?
BR9?
What do you mean?
No,
You
BL9.
can't travel all the time, you must sleep somewhere.
Oh yeah, obviously we live at home and stuff, but when we're not working in that lot, we go and explore.
So,
What's your name,
after today now, where you going?
Can't really tell you that.
There's nothing criminal, like
No, of course not, no, believe me.
Oh, so you go home to sleep and then you come together.
Yeah, of course, yeah. So go out at the weekends.
Don't get me wrong, sometimes you might get an hotel down south or something and go 2 days, I don't know, yeah, but if it's somewhere like this, just put 4 hours together.
There's thousands of people watching right now, guys. Yeah, do you want to say hello to anyone? Go on, that's what say hello. Look. There we go. Yes. Yo, guys. I apologise. It's for our safety as well as yours.
Right.
Honestly, thank you so much for being so understanding, though. I really appreciate that.
It's not a problem, right? It's
Yeah.
obviously, what you got to understand is that, because it's fenced off, right, some developer does own this site.
Yeah,
right?
and it's someone's
And
profit, I understand.
It's,
Yeah.
it's only fair that, obviously, they don't have the problems of people smashing windows
Yeah, of
and...
course,
Yeah,
If we don't break in,
No,
if there's no
I'm
entry,
not saying you have. I'm not saying you have, right?
Yeah.
if it
But
isn't,
all I'm saying is that,
Yeah.
you know, if you were going to come around here, the police station is literally 300 yards up the road.
How is it?
All you had to do was pop in here and say, listen, there's a derelict place down here. Would it be alright if we went around there?
Yeah, we
You'd
do
probably
get a lot
say-
of permission
you'd probably
visits,
say-
we do, yeah.
We'd probably say no,
Yeah,
but at least then you know where you stood.
You don't actually don't get
Just
the.
want to say, can we go back in?
It's hard to go back in. Yeah.
The key holder just turned up now.
Oh, no.
So
We better get going.
But I'll
then.
explain
You
it all
won't be
to
happy.
her.
Thank you so much.
she's not going to have a problem anyway.
Oh, thanks for understanding, though.
Yeah.
And feel free to watch it as well tonight on YouTube and Facebook, man.
I have to make sure I'm looking good now.
Yeah.
I enjoy your time.
Oh, thank you very much, guys. You couldn't get a picture on a chance with pointing a gun at me or anything, could you?
Well, that's it.
Alright, cool, man. Take it easy. Guys, respect to the South Wales police. Wow. I actually thought that we was getting arrested then. But big respect to the police, guys. I do apologise, I couldn't really read much of the comments while we was giving the details out. But man, they were sick, they were sick. But guys, we are going hitting up an abandoned boat. The boat is absolutely massive. It's a little bit sinking. Like, but guys, the key holder's turned up now. So guys, we're going hitting up a boat in a minute. How long is it going to take to get to the thingy? Probably be in about the next hour or something. So keep your phones on standby, guys, because we're going hitting up a boat. But man, respect to South Wales police. Anybody who lives in South Wales, respect, absolutely respect. They could have easily arrested us then. But once we've watched all the footage back, we've got footage on the GoPro of how we got in there. We actually climbed through a window, which is tiny. There they are, the police have just gone through that door there.
I want to just get arrested now.
So guys, we are going to an abandoned boat. It's going to be sick. The police have just arrived at this location. But man, the police are sweet, man. Do you know what? 9 times out of 10, the police are actually sound with what we do. Because obviously they see us, we've got all the cameras, they check us out online, they see we've got a following. And yeah, they love it. And unless they unless they tell us to stop recording, we ain't going to stop recording. So should we go back in for round 2, guys? Round 2 or what? Quick round 2? Guys, drop us a like and a share if you want us to go back in.
Need 100 likes.
Guys, 200 more likes, we'll go straight in.
Yeah.
So now we're on. So guys, yeah, I probably will have to delete this due to the fact that address has been given out. Does anyone know if my address was given? If it was, I'm going to keep this going. If it wasn't. But wow, that was insane, guys. Check that. That's what we just squeezed out of.
Yeah, that one. These 2 here.
Nah, was it?
Yeah, yeah.
How's that open then?
Go through that one.
So yeah, guys, we're going hitting up an abandoned boat in a minute. I don't know how long it's going to take to get there. We're going to have to get the details. I live in Wales. The police are okay down there. Lee Grant, yeah, the police absolutely sound down there. Absolutely sound. So yeah. But yeah, guys, if you heard the addresses, yeah, send the fan mail. But this is the place. You can sort of see it. Can you hear the alarm? Guys, will you do me a favour and drop me a like if you heard the alarm going off while I was in there?
Still hear it, look.
So there we are, guys. And here's our friends. Again, massive respect to the police. See if the door's open. Absolute respect to him. So guys, we're on the way back to the whips. And we're going to go to the boat. And we're going to see how it's rolling. So what do you reckon then? How long does it take to get to the boat? So you want to do something else before the boat?
Give you a preview. I'll tell you where it is, what it is.
Tell the peeps, man.
Well, I'll tell you what we've got coming up for you now. We're going to go check out an abandoned something. Blah, blah, blah. And what it's got is it's got history and belongings of a generation of family that have 300 years worth of generation stuff dated back there from 1700 from this family. So we're going to go check it out. It's been completely left in time, nothing there. So keep tuned to the video, hit that like button, share Urban Sherman, Suburban Explorer, and Pam 420 Explores with Santan on the deck, Malibu on the back.
Yes, boys.
What's happening?
So listen, we're going to jump in the whips now, and we're going to head off back to the next destination. And guys, we're going to hit the boat on the way home, but we're going to somewhere else now, so I will keep you all posted on Facebook. But I am probably gonna have to delete this. Did you have the GoPro when the police was there?
No, but I paid for the way.
Oh, gutted, man. I need this footage.
Well, what you need to do then is you need to put it on Facebook.
It is on Facebook. It's Facebook Live now.
But then what you need to do is save it into your phone. And then you could delete it. You could delete it then.
I'm gonna get run over, guys.
And then if you delete it, you've still got it on your phone. You could re-upload the editing or mute the.
Yeah, but
So you'd have to
Why
save
didn't
the
we
video
stay
to Facebook now.
You
but
what?
delete it.
Why didn't we stay in
why didn't we stay in?
from there? We could have gone to that bit where you went underground, and we could have just stayed there, and they would have come. Wouldn't have found us. The alarm would have gone off. They would have gone in, got more people. More officers would have
Yeah,
come.
true,
Still
but-
wouldn't have found us. Dogs would have come.
Yeah, dogs might have come though.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
Most of the time,
that's the best bit.
most of the time, dogs do come, guys.
That's the best bit.
That's the reason why we got
avoided
off.
contact, they would have definitely arrested us after that.
Yeah, we had to come back to the cars, and the
You
cars
tried
are there as
fucking
well.
climbing over the fucking fence. There's like
No.
Oh yeah.
by the time you climbed, that would have gone anyway.
As soon as he was like, "Please, should we just get off?" I was like, "Bob,
We should
never."
have just stayed.
I couldn't
I seen them
believe
coming,
it.
so I thought, let's bounce.
Yeah, we're gonna edit it, guys. So
So,
When you was in that.
yeah, so everyone's invited to mine
hit the
tonight.
house. Does it want us to hit it?
The house.
Yeah.
Do you want us to hit the house, guys? The
What the fuck's that up there?
yeah, it don't even matter if we delete it. It doesn't matter. It is what it is, isn't it?
Yeah. Let's go let's go get on lap it.
Right, guys. How long do you think it'll take?
Probably about an hour and a half tops.
Is it out the way or towards home?
No, it's towards all.
And then we're hitting the boat.
Yeah, I'll have a quick scout. It might even be even sooner. So.
Yeah. Right, guys, all the 100+ people that watch this video, I want you to all jump on the next live video because we're going to hit something sick. And then the one after that is going to be unreal. Somebody's going to fall in the water. I've got a feeling about it. So, guys, if this is the first time you've seen me and the boys, jump over to the Urban Sherman YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you're not like the Facebook page, hit that like immediately because the giveaway is coming soon. And, guys, I will see you very, very soon. Peace.